Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing. And I know I've been completely MIA. I apologize. A lot of things have been happening. So this is the start of 2023, starting off the year with something different. Have a new addition to the family, the Shazy Motorsport family that you guys been. Always been the Acuras, the BMWs, the Audis, Toyotas. But today what I have for you is something different. We're going to be working on something a little different, starting off this year with the different projects. A lot more to come. Without further ado, I'm going to switch it over, have you guys do a walk around of off the vehicle, and I'll let you guys be the judge before I get into what I'm going to be. Okay guys, so now you know the new toy to the Shazy Motorsport family. What we're going to do today is I have two tasks to do on this, but today we're going to tackle one is simple chain cleaning, and also I have to get in and tighten the chain as well, because you can see there is some leanway and I've had it for some time in the past fall, and it's time to be tightened too. But what I'm going to do today is essentially use these two products, which is Pro Honda spray cleaner and polish, and then use some sort of chain lube which has moly in it. So here, I'll bring it up close. I'll link them down below where I got them from. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to use the first spray can, use a wire brush. You can get these at one of these auto stores or motorcycle stores online. Basically has three. What happens is you take this, you can snap it on and clean all the way through. So that's what we're going to do with this. Then lube it so it's good, run it, and then I'll show you the process how it's done. Okay guys, I'm just going to explain now and then I'll fast forward the video. So basically this is the can, the first can. The second can is a chain lube with moly. I'll link it down below so you guys have access to both. You can put something underneath. Obviously I'm doing it on my driveway, so it's going to get dirty, so I'm just putting this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to work on this much area at a time, so I can put a lot of this down here, as you can see. And then what I would like to do is at least get some sort of protection in here without getting my plastics dirty. So I'm going to put this right here. You don't have to. You can take off your plastics if you want to. I just don't want to go through the hassle. So that's that. And now I can spray it. It'll get soaked up, but at least something will cover it. And we'll go start it from there. So. Hey guys, so the chain was clean. I lubed it. You saw me. Now I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'll go for a ride. This was a quick video on how to clean and lube your chain on a chain-driven bike, regardless of what brand, what make it is. If you have a belt, obviously that's a different story. But this was a video. Next, what I'll show you is an upcoming video is how to adjust my chain. It seems like it's a little bit looser than it's supposed to be, so it needs to be a little tightened up. I have to figure out how many on that side and how many on this side. I need to tighten both sides, but that'll be the next video. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Peace out.